Hello, big time kindergartners. You're almost first graders. I am so proud of you. We only have a couple of more days together. Let's go ahead and look at our message. Are you ready? Follow along with your eyes, listen with your ears, and use your finger to point. June 4th, 2020. Dear class family, happy Thursday. We only have 5 more days in kindergarten. I am so proud of you for working hard and making good choices. First, in writing, we will put a period at the end of each sentence. Next, we will learn ways to read new words. Later, in math, we will solve story problems. Love, Miss Joyner. Oh, boys and girls, with only 5 more days to learn online together for kindergarten. It's bittersweet. I'm so proud of you for making such wonderful choices and working hard. But you know that my heart is sad because I miss you so much. Help me out with the message. All right, can you help me? We only have 5 more days in kindergarten. Help me out. First thing I want us to look for is all the capital letters. Are you ready? I know that you can find them. So right now, think in your head, where are the capital letters? Look at the starts of sentences. Remember what we capitalize. Months of the year, days of the week, special names. Are you ready? Let's start at the top. The J in June. We have our greeting, dear class family. If you knew that it was a capital J, D, C, and F, go ahead and kiss your brain. I knew you could find them with me. Let's go ahead and look at our first sentence. And it's an exciting sentence. Look at this punctuation mark. What is that called? It has 2 names. Do you remember? Remember, straight line down, dot. What's it called? An exclamation point. Very good. And it's also called an exclamation mark. Excellent. Let's go ahead for the happy. We have the H in happy and the T in Thursday. Do you remember why we have a capital letter here? You're right, it is the start of a sentence. And then for the Thursday, do you remember that reason too? Because it's the day of the week. Exactly. Thank you so much for answering. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and kiss your brain. All right. I see the capital W and we only have 5 more days in kindergarten. Kindergarten is a very special year. That's why the K is capitalized. Let's go ahead and underline that too. Next telling sentence. Ready? Did you see the capital I am so proud of you for working hard and making good choices. First, in writing, we will put a period at the end of each sentence. Do you remember what a period is? You're right, it is the dot, like this. Remember the periods? After we're done marking all of the capital letters, I want to circle the punctuation marks, and we're going to circle the periods and the exclamation point and all the commas, okay? You're going to help me out with that. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. Next, the capital N, I see that too. Next, we will learn ways to read new words. Later, in math, we will solve story problems. Love, Miss Joyner. And we know the L in love, the M in miss, and the J in Joyner. Excellent job. Help me really quickly with circling the punctuation marks. Can we start with the date? Okay, let's go ahead and let's start. If it's June 4th, 2020, what is this called that comes after the number 4? Do you remember? Oh, I heard someone say it. It is a comma. Good. There are commas in our message, so we're going to have to find them, and you're going to help me, okay? Dear class family. Found the comma. Now, remember, we're going to find commas. We're going to find other punctuation marks as well. So if you see a period or an exclamation point or a question mark, we have got to circle it together. Are you ready, class family? Okay. Show me that you are a team and a class family. Ready? June 4th, 2020. Dear class family, happy Thursday. We only have 5 more days in kindergarten. But do you see the punctuation mark? Let's circle that. See, when we find punctuation marks, that's helping us to become better writers and better readers. And you'll get ready for first grade. Isn't that exciting? Let's go ahead. I am so proud of you for working hard and making good choices. You know that's true. Do you remember what this is called right here? It's at the end of a sentence. End of a telling sentence or a statement. What's it called? It is a period. Good job. First, in writing, we will put a period at the end of each sentence. Whoop, I got one here. Next, you know what? I noticed a comma after the transition word first. Did you see that right here? Let's circle it. And then after next, I see a comma too. Next, we will learn ways to read new words. Ooh, I love learning ways to learn new tricky words. That'll be fantastic. Later in math, we will solve story problems. Love. We got a comma, Miss Joyner, and there's a period after Miss. Okay, really super duper fast. First of all, you did a wonderful job helping me. Thank you so much for helping me find the capital letters and all the punctuation marks. Now, this next mission is very fast because we need to move on. I want to find the word first. Do you remember where that word first is? Do you remember? Let's see. Where is it? Oh, found it. Do you see first? Let's box it. Next word I want to search for, am. Am. Look for am. We're going to go quickly. I want your eyes to search. Ready? You're finding am. A-M. Am. Do you see it yet? Does anybody see? Let's continue. I am. Do you see this? Remember the I am so proud of you part? That is exactly where am is. I wonder if there's another am. Let's continue. I don't think there is another am. I think this is the only one. So let's go ahead and find and. And. Help me find it. And. Oh, this part. Remember when I said, I am so proud of you for working hard and making good choices? We use the sight word and right there. Okay, is there another and in our message? I don't see another and. Nope, I think this is the only one. Last one is read. This is the final word. Ready? Read. Where is it? Did you see read? Oh, the part where we're going to read new tricky words. That part. Next, we will learn ways to read new words. Thank you so much for helping me find all of those things. All right, let's continue to learn online today, guys. I'm so proud of you, boys and girls. Let's continue. Nice work.